Hello everyone. Hello, welcome to Asultara Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. This is the reading for the month of April 2021. If you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to enroll for 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to order energized and activated bracelets and anklets, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so this is a situationship reading for the zodiacs and Aquarius. Okay, sorry for the delay, Aquarius, because I was backed up with back-to-back sessions. Okay, for the month of April 2021, of course. And this is the situationship reading. That means this situation is going on currently with you, either into your career life or into your relationship. Take it however it resonates with you. Okay, if you like this reading, kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also if it resonates, that's good. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Okay, okay, your third eye chakra is opening. You are being aware. You're having a lot of realizations about yourself, about the people around you. Okay, which is very good, Aquarius. If you want to, you will be very creative this month. If you really want to start something new, okay, convert your profession into passion, like passion into profession. Okay, you are just being very innocent, very nice, Aquarius. You are focusing on victory, okay, related to either career or relationship, taking a action towards the victorious life. Okay, it might be relationship because it's number 3. According to that, it's a long-term relationship. If not that, then it might resonate with your career life, that you are hoping for a massive victory into your life. So in the upcoming 6 months, there will be a massive victory happening with you. There's a new vision going on in your life, either starting a new business, new venture, new job, anything it can be. Okay, something new is starting for you. Okay, yes, something is ending, something new is starting. Major karmic problems, patterns are ending, and now new starting, new beginning is on the horizon for you. Okay, you are having a lot of realizations about yourself, about the people around you, about the life around you. Okay, there's juggling between two choices, two options, two corrections, two decisions. Okay, if your heart says something else, then your outside world is saying something else. So a lot of major confusion is there. There's an imbalance between heart and the outside world. Okay, that's it. You're just going with the flow right now. You're not doing anything. You have a major sorrow or regret related to something, related to a wish which is not being fulfilled, either into your career life or into your relationship. Okay, you have a major guilt related to a situation. Okay, that's it. You are having a lot of daydreaming or different kinds of dreams you are getting nowadays into your dreams. Different things are happening, that's the thing. Okay, so yeah. Nice. You are having a very, very, very different dreams. It might be good, it might be bad, it might be positive, it might be negative. So it's like very very different dreams are happening for you. Okay, okay, there's a motherly figure, or you are being very emotional, Aquarius, related to a situation. Okay, something is not ending, the confusion part is not ending. You're waiting for something to end, either into your career life or into your relationship. But yes, okay, so you have before you were stuck, but in the month of April you will be feeling more of a disappointments related to a situation, either stuck into a situation, problems, or around you there are manipulative people. Okay, so yeah, you are very unclear about a situation, what you want, how you want. Okay, that's the thing. A major clarity is not there, Aquarius, for you. Okay, you're not thinking about money much, but I think you have those things. If there are two people into separation, a reconciliation might happen. Okay, two people who are into separation in the month of April or in the next 3 months, a reconciliation, reunion might happen. Also, one more thing, if you are thinking about starting a business venture into a partnership, you can do it. Okay, it will be very good for you. Okay, within next 3 months you can start. Okay, there is sadness, pain, tensions around you, anxiety issues you are having sleepless nights. Okay, you also think sometimes how to double your income, how to earn from 360-degree angle. Okay, you're not loving yourself, or there is a third party interference into your relationship, Aquarius, either in-laws, parents, any third person, can be anyone, they are interfering into your relationship. Okay, and you are not loving yourself. Okay, there's a major karmic cycle which needs to come to an end. Okay, if that's not happen, it will be very bad. Okay, so karmic cycle needs to come to an end, because karmic relationship are there for a reason, but only for a particular season. Okay, so yeah, there is a major offer which will be coming within next 2 to 3 months. Within next 4 months, a major offer will be coming which will help you to double your income, to start new venture, to do something new on your own. Okay, grab that opportunity, whatever opportunity or a project or a money related offer is coming, either a job offer or a business offer, a new project. Grab that opportunity, because this will be very helpful for you. Okay, leave the past behind and move forward, Aquarius. We are not doing it. Okay, in the month of April, you will be, I think, within next 6 months, a past person who left you already, he or she will try to contact you. Okay, in the next 6 months. So, or you might have a kids also as well. Okay, so yeah, past, ex, or currently if you are in a separation, that person might try to contact you. Okay, also one more thing, there is a major decision which needs to be taken within next 3 months. Okay, so related to a separation. Okay, a reconciliation, reunion, or a proper complete separation, like the decision related to either separation or a reconciliation will happen. Okay, so yeah, okay, you feel that whatever hard work you do, the amount of output you should get, you are not getting it. Okay, so you will leave this thing behind and you will start something new. Okay, you will move somewhere, new place, new location, some of you. Okay, 1% out there. Okay, because you want to be an independent energy, you want an independent freedom financially. Okay, so I think you will be starting something new in the next few months. Okay, 4 to 6 months, or thinking to start something new which will give you independent income. Okay, like a good financial income. That's the thing which is very good. Within next 9 months, you will get financially independent for sure. Okay, because right now there is a lot of instability going on, either into your home life or into your career life. Okay, you will be spending, if you are thinking to spend something, start a business related to real estate, that will be very good. Start within next 4 months. Okay, real estate will be really good for you. Okay, for investing. Okay, and even if you are thinking to invest in a land property, next 4 months will be really good. Do it. Okay, that will be the good thing. Okay, so a major abundance will not be coming this year. Next year it will be coming, but it will be coming very, very, very soon. Okay, so yeah, let's check it out what universe needs to tell you guys. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. Kindly like, share and subscribe, guys. Okay, okay, okay. So there are 3 messages for you. The first message is, I let go of the shadow of the past by seeing someone for the first time with the eyes of future. So letting go, leaving the past behind and moving forward. The second is, the more energy and intention I bring to my faith, the more fearless and free I am. The third message is, my outer experiences are a reflection of my internal condition. Wow, nice. Okay, so let's see what angels needs to tell you, guide you with. Okay. Okay. Wow. One more. Okay, so the first one is, there are a lot of choices opening for you, opportunities are opening for you. Okay, be grateful to the opportunities and choices which you will be getting. Okay, Archangel Raphael, you are blessed to attract this angel card. I am happy, healthy and abundant. You are very happy, you are healthy and abundant. Okay, in the month of April, lot of opportunities and choices are coming for you, and be grateful every single day for whatever you are doing in life. Okay, so done. I hope you like this situationship reading. Either it's related to your career life or it's related to your relationship. Okay, so yeah, kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Bye bye, take care, Aquarius.